Something you may not know about me is that I am a certified sommelier. So I've made more trips to Napa than I could count. And if I were headed to Napa this spring, this is what I would pack and this is what I would wear. I would start by packing these two dresses in neutral colors. I love wearing dresses in Napa. And then I would pack these two Dolman t-shirts from Amazon, also in neutral colors. A sleeveless chambray blouse. A black blazer and a denim jacket. A pair of jeans, and then these slimming crop pants. And this black midi travel skirt that is wrinkle-free. Napa is unique in that it's someplace where refinement meets ruggedness, where farm meets elegance, and agriculture meets refinement. I love wearing dresses in Napa for their femininity, for their elegance, but here I'm going to pair this dress with a denim jacket for that Northern California rugged feel. This dress is a little bit slim fit. It's from Amazon, and I wish I had ordered a size up, which I didn't. But I do recommend you ordering a size up if you decide to purchase this dress. And I'm wearing a low wedge heel here. In Napa, we don't do a whole lot of walking. We do a lot of sitting, sipping, and savoring. So heels are totally okay. And I'm showing you what it would look like as a scarf, but as always, I recommend buying your scarf in Napa as a souvenir of your trip. Next, I am pairing this t-shirt dress with a black blazer for a dinner look. Some of my favorite dinner destinations in Napa include Charlie Palmer's Steakhouse, but my favorite is probably Corderios for an old school, old style dinner complete with a salad made at the side of the table and the after dinner cart. For a daytime look for visiting wineries, I would pair this sleeveless chambray blouse with these slimming beige crop pants. So the chambray reminds me of the farmers, the winemakers that work in the field. And the twill of these pants remind me that twill was invented for California farmers and miners. Obviously, it's spring in Napa, so parts of the day are warmer than others. And so this is for the warm part of the day, for sitting out in the sun while savoring a glass of wine. Regardless of where I'm traveling, I almost always carry with me a pashmina or wrap. This one is rather lightweight for spring in a neutral color, and I keep it with me in my bag in case it gets a bit cool in the wine caves or the day cools off. But this outfit can easily be converted to a dinner look by adding the black blazer. Again, I'm not showing any white in this wardrobe. While I do wear white to Napa, I hear from many of you that you are accident and spill prone. So no white for you, but I definitely wear white to Napa. Next, I'm going to pair these twill crop pants with this Dolman t-shirt from Amazon. It's a little bit long on me, and again, I don't always like tucking my shirt, so I am using fashion tape to hold it up rather than tucking it. This is a good winery visit look, and if you're wondering what some of my favorite wineries are, perhaps my vote for the most scenic winery would be Farniente. The proprietors were once landscapers, and the property reflects it. It's absolutely glorious. It's definitely worth a stop. I would not make it your first stop because the others will fail in comparison. And if the day gets a little bit cool, you can simply throw on this denim jacket. And again, denim was invented in Northern California by Levi Strauss for miners, and so I feel that denim is representative of Northern California. When in Rome, right, is the saying. And I love how the three colors here really come together in this outfit. This look easily converts to a dinner look by adding the black blazer. And again, I am wearing a low wedge heel here. They're so comfortable that they are marketed as running heels. In all of my trips to Napa, I have never taken a walk out in the vineyard, so walking shoes are not necessary. If you want to walk out in the vines without having to take a hike, then stop at Bricks for lunch or a drink, and the vineyard is right out the back door of the restaurant. This is a pairing that I was not originally planning on putting together, but when I put it on, I absolutely loved it. Again, I'm using fashion tape to hold this up, but I absolutely loved the way the monochromatic look came together here. Very lovely and light for spring. Definitely a good look for lunch at Aubergé with a view of the valley. And again, I'm wearing those wedge running heels for comfort. If it is a bit chilly during the day, you can just bring the denim jacket with you and throw it on for warmth as needed. You could also use the pashmina. I tend to bring an oversized handbag to Napa. You don't have to worry about pickpockets or any crime for that matter in Napa. I've never had a problem. I've never felt uncomfortable or unsafe, but I like the bigger bag because we're constantly receiving pamphlets and materials and freebies at the various wineries, pens, chocolates, those sorts of things. And the big handbag allows me to accommodate those and carry them around. This look also converts to a dinner look with the black blazer, and I really, really love black and beige as the color combination. It is inherently chic, elevated, and fashionable, and I just love how this comes together. You could also wear this look for an afternoon cocktail or early happy hour cocktail on the rooftop bar at Sky and Vine that overlooks downtown Napa. One of my favorites, order the lobster corn dogs. Skirts during the day are very appropriate in Napa. I love this midi skirt. It's wrinkle-free and made for travel, paired with the Amazon dolman blouse. Again, I'm wearing fashion tape here to keep it turned up without having to tuck it. One of my favorite wineries, my overall, is Stag's Leap, and that's apostrophe S. Of all my trips to Napa, one of the best sommeliers I've had in those trips was at Stag's Leap. Lovely view, a lovely experience. He had actually made some homemade pate that he shared with us. I think it was supposed to be his lunch, but he shared with us, and it was the perfect pairing with the wine that he served it. Again, I always pack a pashmina or carry a denim jacket with me in case it gets cool. And this one looks really lovely. It's almost the exact shade as the Amazon beige dolman t-shirt. I really love how this outfit comes together. This outfit can also be elevated and added warmth with the black blazer. And while I tend to think of a blazer for a dinner look, it can also be for a lunch look. And another of my favorite places to eat lunch is Evangeline's. My two favorite travel destinations in the world are Napa and New Orleans. And Evangeline's is New Orleans style food in Napa. So it's my two favorites coming together in one spot. If you're looking for a more casual look, the beige dolman shirt can be paired with jeans, and here I am wearing them with rubber sole loafers. They are very comfortable. Sometimes my feet swell from all of the wine. So this is a good option, a footwear option for those times when my feet are swelling, whether it's from wine or from the travel. And this is very casual, but it can also be paired with the black blazer for a smart casual look. I can see myself wearing this to one of my favorite lunch destinations in downtown Napa, which is Tarla, and I would order the lamb lollipops there. They are absolutely divine. I discovered Tarla during Napa Food and Wine Week, and that is a really good week to go. It's off season in February usually, and there aren't quite as many tourists. So there's my pro tip on Napa for the day. Dresses and Napa are just meant for each other, and I love this one, how it's light and moves, very feminine, very elegant. I can see me wearing this to Sunday brunch at Domaine Carneros for a caviar and bubbly pairing. That was one of my favorites on my last trip, and I will admit that Domaine Carneros can feel like Epcot at some times because it's the first stop off the interstate. And so the tour buses tend to stop there first, but we had a lovely Sunday brunch with caviar last time. Take this same dress and pair it with the black blazer for a dinner look. This would be totally appropriate to wear to dinner at Angelet in downtown Napa. It is traditional French food with an exquisite wine list, fabulous service, and very charming setting. Until we meet again, my friends.